Hello, my friend. Please let me take a few minutes of your time and share something that is near and dear to my heart, okay? Let me tell you about a problem that needs solving first. I really can't stand it anymore. I just can't take it anymore. I can't stand it, and there's a solution, thank goodness. The problem is these GoFundMe campaigns that you see so often, okay? Help Sean, he got cancer, we need $30,000. Help Tracy, she got multiple sclerosis, and we need $20,000 for medical expenses, right? They do the campaign, people put together the campaign, they have to put their tail in between their legs, which is really hard. You gotta put your pride aside and put themselves out there, ask their friends and family and the world for money. And how would you feel if you had to do that? I know I wouldn't feel very good. And oftentimes they only end up raising $7,000, $8,000, and GoFundMe still takes a portion of that, even though they fall short of their goal. Another example, Christina got diabetes and she needs, $19,000 for medical bills and medication and things like that. And we think Canada pays for everything. So you're probably thinking, wait, but Canada, medical care is free. No, it's not. There are less and less things being covered these days, and people are more and more out of pocket. And certain conditions require medication and supervision and nurse care and home visits and things like that, which is not covered. And so the doctor shocks the family with a diagnosis. The family looks at their options, not much in savings, not much in assets, penalties if we liquidate these assets, if they have assets, and not enough, money, covering their debts and things like that. So they do not have a plan in place, right? They got to put their pride aside, put the campaign out, and hope for the best. Hope is the key word. And I haven't seen one of these campaigns reach their full goal. It sucks and it's embarrassing. And the kids are embarrassed. There's shame, there's guilt. It's horrible. So I don't want it to happen. It's a problem. And these are good people, everyday people you and I, we know, right? And this could happen to anyone, and I wish it never happened again. So what is the solution? The solution is to be proactive. Please, let me take a few minutes and tell you about a solution I know that I have, and I recommend to every single one of my clients. So just listen for a moment. It's called critical illness insurance, and it's a win, win, or win. Let me tell you how and why it's a win. No matter what happens, you benefit either way, okay? That's why it's a fantastic product, and I'm recommending this to everyone that I care about. So here's how this works. If you have this product, only one of three things is going to happen. Let's say you're diagnosed with one of these illnesses, right? One of these critical illnesses. There's 25 that are covered. We're talking cancer, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, dementia, paralysis, Parkinson's, deafness, blindness, loss of limbs, kidney failure, and more and more and more. So when you survive this illness for a period of 90 days after the diagnosis, the insurance company gives you a tax-free lump sum check to use on whatever you want. $25,000, $35,000, whatever you choose, even $50,000 or more, okay? That's situation number one. Number two, you die prematurely from something else, a car accident, okay, drunk driver, who knows what, something urgent, okay? Then what happens? Your family, your beneficiaries get every dollar you put into it back, okay? So you don't get anything because you're dead. I'm sorry, but it doesn't go to waste. The money does not go to waste. Your family gets the money when you die. Thank goodness. So there's zero loss, aside from you, of course, which, I'm sorry, again, can't bring you back, right? But that's situation number two. Situation number three is you live a long, happy, healthy, fruitful life with no conditions, no major health issues. Thank goodness, thank God. You're in perfect health, God bless. And you don't need the product. You don't use it. What happens? At age 75, you get every dollar you put into the policy back. It goes back into your pocket. So again, there's no loss. And what a great thing to receive a bunch of money at age 75, right? So only one of these three things is going to happen to you. Think about it. And I listed all three of them, and they're all covered. And so it's literally win, win, or win. As soon as I found out about this product 5 years ago, I got it, and I recommend it with every person, every client that I work with. So I'm sending you this video. I'm sharing with you this video because the wealthy, the 1%, take care of their health, they take care of their wealth, but they most importantly take care of their ability to earn an income in case things happen. Why? Because they know that everything in the financial house is built on your income. So protecting your income and your ability to receive it is number one. But Michael, wait, I heard all insurance companies were bad. They screw people over, they go bankrupt. No, not the Canadian ones. Most of the negative stuff we hear about insurance companies is American insurance companies. And in Canada, our insurance companies are very, very strong. In fact, there's a backup company to all the insurance companies called Assurus, which if there's any reason that a Canadian insurance company goes bankrupt, they will step in and pay all the claims to their clients. But that will never happen. Why? Because Canadian insurance companies are already regulated to have 2 times the amount of money that they need on hand to pay for all their claims for all their clients. So I have this product for myself. I got it for my stepkids. I got it for Jess. I will never get rid of this product because I do not want to be remembered as a GoFundMe campaign. And most importantly, I want to be covered if anything happens. And it's win, win, or win. So it's a no-brainer. So here's my request, please. Do not have yourselves or your families have to make a GoFundMe campaign for you in the future. Please message me. Let's connect, spend a few minutes, and find out what this proactive solution might look like for you.